Life is a gamble. We have to take it as it comes, even if there is a negative feeling. But if your heart says, move on, the negative feeling is coming from the head and not from the heart. But make sure that you do your cleaning properly, the heartfulness cleaning. Whenever there are negative thoughts, negative feelings, we need to find the root cause of it first of all. Why are they arising? Are they arising to warn me? Or are they arising out of this negative habit of always thinking, for example, not to trust people, just like that? And this conditioning of not to trust people has its own roots, because you must have experienced this sort of things that makes you or that forces you not to trust people. It's also a negative feeling. Somehow, negative feelings also serve us a purpose. But how far do you want to go with it? See, many times the negative feelings will rob us of the freedom that you can enjoy. So life is a gamble. We have to take it as it comes, even if there is a negative feeling. But if your heart says, move on, the negative feeling is coming from the head and not from the heart. But make sure that you do your cleaning properly, the heartfulness cleaning. And if this negative feeling is still there, that means it is cautioning you that not to trust something. Whenever I have had this negative feeling in my heart, I don't try to analyze it. I just simply sit and try to do my cleaning for a few minutes. And that's all. I don't look for any solution out of it. And if that is still not solved, I offer it at bedtime as in the form of prayer, that please help me understand this particular issue. And by morning, I'll have the answer. Almost all the time, I've been able to solve this problem simply by doing the cleaning myself or offering the prayer. And we have this great advantage of preceptors or the trainers. You may not share the problem because you may like to maintain certain problems as private to your heart. But you can tell the preceptor or the trainer that please help me get out of a negative situation that I'm going through. Please help me clean myself or clean my heart. Or if you don't want to even go into so much of details, just say, I would like to have a sitting from you. That's all. And you don't have to even call anyone. We have this Heart in Tune app. Just make a request for a sitting and see what really happens to this negative emotion that you are talking about. Whatever be the negative feeling, we like to get rid of it once and for all.